Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today, we are going to show you, now this is the microwave Cecotec 3D wave, so we can see from together this one by here. And today, so in this video, we're going to try to mix, this microwave. So I have the screen here and the bottom from the person, so the Proclean 5120 mirror, so we can see. Okay, so now we're going to show you, so ready to clean and anywhere we can see. Okay, so now I'm going to turn on the socket. Ready? Okay, so now it's on it. So let's open the microwave so we can see. So it's not here because the food I'm gonna clean on the floor. I'm gonna clean it after and anything. So I'm gonna clean everything. So this is the light from the bulb here, from electric. So what I can see is inside here. So no one. So what I can see. So this is the button. I can turn off this one. I'm gonna press the action button. I'm gonna press the microwave. Okay. And I'm gonna look for the pressing. So this one, the microwave here. I'm gonna cancel. I'll put timer here. So I'm gonna stop. Okay. And okay. So let's try again. No, okay. So now we're gonna look for it. To press turn off. No? Okay. So this is the microwave from here. Okay, I'm gonna turn off. So this is the 2 o'clock from here. I can change the timer anywhere so we can see. So we can press this. So look at here, inside from together. Okay, so now I'm gonna start the microwave from here. Okay, it's 10 to 16. Okay, 16:01, so we can see. Okay, so now, so living, so I can do like this anywhere, so we can see. And we'll look at the timer from here. What I can see inside here. Okay, so, and let's go ahead. I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna turn off and try again. Okay, so I've seen it now from anywhere. So this is the microwave 3D waves, so we can see. And I'm gonna press. No. I'm gonna put 8. That's working. Let me see. Working. 6, 3, 8, and so we can see. Let me cancel this. I'm gonna turn off. Okay, so now finished. So I'm gonna turn off my socket. Okay, so now we can see together. Okay, so now thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.